Hi there, guys.
Hi guys.
Yes, guys. Welcome again to our channel,
Yes, Silver
Silver Fanatics.
Fanatics.
Okay, guys. Today's topic. We just wanna talk about silver, guys, and the motivations that you find on the YouTube channels, and to avoid the failure, guys, when you're in
Yes.
this stacking uh family, guys. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. Okay, guys. But firstly, we would just like to compliment, guys, the mint guys, all the mint
Yes,
guys.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
guys.
yes.
We just want to say all the mint are the same, guys. They have their own taste and quality, guys. We just want to send a compliment to all the mints. Their coins are very nice. You can't say a
Which
particular
one?
mint. You can't say a particular mint, guys, is better than the other. But in terms of quality, yes, we can say that. But in terms of coins, guys, every mint has its own taste, and
Yes, yes.
as you find us that we're not stuck into one particular mint. We're just buying randomly, guys, on all mint. Whichever mint has a perfect coin, we find it beautiful, we just go for it.
Yeah.
We don't have a limit, guys, when it comes to a mint.
Particularly.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. And another things, guys, that I want to make us aware of is that, guys, you might find that you will buy some coins and find that they are a regret to you, guys. But to some other people, guys, some other people's regrets can be someone else's success.
Yes.
Yes, guys, it can be someone's success, guys. So we can't all say. The reason I'm saying that I started complimenting the men, guys, is because they have different taste. You know, we all don't have the same taste. Yes, guys.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, guys. So, regret to someone, it can be someone's success, guys. Yes, guys. And when you're in this staking family, guys, you need to really have a goal, guys. You really need to have a goal. As for us, guys,
Like we do have our own goal.
yes, we do have our own goal, guys. As we started, as you can see our stake on the floor, guys, we do have our own goal, guys. All right. Mostly, guys, I would say it's just to create your own bank, guys. You know, to find something that you can fall on to, guys, in terms of need. When I say in terms of need, I'm talking about cash in particular, guys. It's something that you can fall on to.
Yes,
You can
that's
go
true.
to, and maybe in terms of cash, you have a shortage of cash. You can just go into it, make it like your own bank. You can
Yes.
go and borrow and bring
And put it back.
and put it back. Yes, guys. So that is our goal, guys. Not for anything in particular, guys. Like for us, most times when we are staking, guys, we're not too worried about the spot price and price
True.
going up and all that,
Because we know at the end it's gonna save us a lot of headache.
yes, it's gonna help us at the end, guys, whenever we find that we are in need of cash, guys. So that's why we're not too worried about the spot price when we are staking, because for a person, maybe a person that is staking to flip, I will say maybe that person can be worried. But for a long-term staker like us, as we consider ourselves as a long-term staker, price is not a really matter, a really issue or a worry to us, because we're staking for a long term. We're just in this for a long term, not for a short
Do
term.
not have a cut-off time.
Yes, guys, and that takes me to like to have a limit. To have a limit, guys, when you're staking, I don't think it'd be such a great idea in a case of us, guys. I'm specifically pointing everything to us. I don't think it would be a good thing, because to have a limit, because we are creating a bank here for ourselves. As I've mentioned, that is our goal, preserving and creating our bank.
On world.
Yes, guys, and So when you're creating a bank, I don't think you'll have a limit like any other bank. Don't have a limit that this is a certain amount of cash they must have in the bank. No, they don't have that limit. So for us as well, in terms of ounces, because I see some other people, they say 1,000 ounces, it's a comfort zone. I don't think for us will be that. We don't have a limit. We don't have a number, a specific number that would be a comfort zone for us. So we, as a long-term staker, will just stack.
The only thing that can limit you is the transports and the storage in terms of comfort zone or the ounces that you are gonna to store.
Yes, guys, the storage, guys, you need not to forget the storage when you are stocking silver, guys, because it accumulates into big numbers, guys, and then you find yourself not having storage, guys. That could set you out for failure, not finding space, guys. So that I think you should be aware of, guys, to not run out of storage. That you should be the first thing that you think of when you are in the staking for a long term, to consider the storage, guys, because you find yourself failing at the end and giving up on silver, which I do not condone, guys. I really not with that, guys. For a person to give up on silver.
And they don't call them precious metal for nothing.
They are really precious. Yes, guys. Yeah, and if you find that instead of giving up, if you find that maybe you are in a position where you're running out of storage, I would prefer then to give up, just to convert it into gold, guys. Yes. As they know the ratio. I don't know the ratio because I don't keep up with the prices and all that. There is a ratio as to what to one gold or whatever, guys. Amount of silvers equals to one ounce of gold. I will prefer for a staker that is in that position to just convert the silver into gold than to just give up, because giving up it is not a good thing, guys. And the other thing that I want to make stakers aware of, guys, the biggest mistake that can a new staker make, guys, it's a very, very big mistake, is to copy another staker, guys. To copy another staker, guys.
That's true.
To copy or try to keep up with an older staker. That's a very big mistake. You can't keep up with somebody that's already on 1,000 ounce.
5 years.
Like for us, an example, if you look here on the floor, this is our stack, and then we just see somebody on YouTube, and then we try to keep up or copy them, guys. Or
just do it according to your budget.
Yes, guys, that's another thing, guys. The budget, guys. You just have to have your own budget. Do it according to your own budget, guys. Have a budget. Limit yourself, guys. Know how much you can afford, guys, because at the end of the day, guys, we're in this together, guys. We need to give us motivational advice, guys, because most of the time you find that other stakers, guys, on YouTube especially, you find that some of their advice are negative towards other stakers. They're very negative. They might even make you want to give up, No, we don't condone those type of advice, guys, because in this staking is silver and gold. We are in it together. I see this as we are in in a family, in one family. We are in it together, guys. So
picking up each other.
Yes, guys, in terms of need. So positive motivation, guys, it's advisable, guys, because whenever some of the videos I see, I feel like not continuing watching them because of the negativity, guys. When it comes to staking,
just do what you want to do. You can have a guidelines, but don't copy, don't keep up. Do exactly according to what you wish to do.
Yes, guys, according to your strategy and your goals, guys. Keeping up with someone, it's a very very big mistake, guys. You can't keep up with all stackers, guys. Just get motivated, not get jealous or anything, and compliment it, guys. Yes, guys. And another thing, guys, look elsewhere, guys. Don't have your eggs in one basket, guys. Create somewhere else where you can fall off to in terms of need of cash, guys. You know, don't have your eggs piled up in one basket, guys. Yes, guys.
Our opinion, just our opinion.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys. And we find that, guys, in terms of coin, guys, there is no best coin. If you look at it realistically, there is no best coin. I would say this is the best coin of them all. No, it's terms of beauty. It can be classified like that, but for best, I would say a best coin can be a coin that is closest to you, to your country. That would be best for you, because it would be easy for you if in terms of trying to get rid of it, to sell it would be easy for you to do, guys. For us, for an example, for us, as we are here in South Africa, we will say the best coin for us to stack more on, it's a Kruger Rand, guys. It will be this coin, guys. This will be the coin for us as here in South Africa. This will be very easy for us if in terms of need, guys.
Not other coins too in South Africa.
Yeah, there are plenty other coins, guys. We're still gonna introduce them onto our stack, guys, of which we hardly see them on the YouTube videos, guys. There are plenty other coins, like beautiful plenty coins like the Rhino, the Big Five, guys. We hardly see those on the channel, but we will introduce them
they are close to us
on our channel, as they are close to us, guys. So the best coin will be for you is the one closest to your country. I would say that would be the best coin, guys. Yes, guys. In terms of beauty, I'm not advising you not to go for beauty, as we went for beauty.
That's one.
You know, this is the best coin on our stack, guys. So far it's the best coin on our stack, guys. And many more are still coming. As we have placed an order, and you know, in terms of this pandemic, the transportation, it's very slow. We wait for a very long time. Yes, guys. And another thing, guys, staking, guys. You're staking silver and gold. Hi, guys.
This is a fun thing.
It's fun, guys, to see those blings, guys, those shiny metals, guys. It's very fun. Different designs.
Unique designs.
Exactly. It's an experience on its own, guys. It's priceless. It's really fun, guys.
It's like we're kids again, we're playing with dolls.
Exactly. This is just became our gadgets, like our toys as kids, you know. So seeing this makes us happy, and it makes us appreciate it, guys. So it's just a fun thing to do, guys. Whenever you just see another precious metal on YouTube, you just once say, hey, I like that one. I wish I see it with my own eyes, guys, and be able to hold it, guys.
That's true.
Yes. So, guys, just most of the things, the biggest thing is to avoid failure, guys, to keep up with the old stacker. That is the most that I see as a danger to everyone, guys, because you will never be able to keep up with someone that started long ago, guys.
They don't stick to one. They say other things, they do other things, so you'll be confused. You just do what you feel like you want to do.
Yes, guys. You just save, guys, whatever. As we are talking to you, as we are talking on our video, as we are talking now, you save whatever you feel it's
best for you.
Yes, it best speaks to you, guys. No, you know, because we are not financially advised, guys. If you're seeking for that, this is not a channel for that, guys. It's just for entertainment, guys, and just to have a conversation
with you guys, because we told you that this is our journey together.
Yes, guys, yeah. And guys, another thing, guys, you can never say, hey, I started too late, guys. There is a reason for everything, guys. And for
true.
us to start in 2020, there is a reason
reason.
for that, guys. That's what we believe in. We can't regret and say, hey, if we started at that time, we would be at a certain ounces and
Maybe
all
we
that.
will not be so successful like this.
Exactly. Maybe we were never gonna be as motivated as we are now if we started at a particular time. I believe now was the best time. It was the best time for us to start, guys. Yeah.
Don't give up.
Yes, guys. So for other stackers, guys, I just feel very bad whenever they feel like they know everything about the staking industry, because they started at earlier times, and now they feel that no, they can just feel good that no, they know everything about these precious metals and everything, how they will go and how they will,
price will go up and down.
yes, how they will behave. Hey, no, I don't think that would be a good advice, as we are a family, guys. I find it very demotivating when I see something like that on a YouTube video, guys. I watch most of the YouTube videos concerning staking. I watch most of them. I won't mention any names, but I watch all of them. I would say all of them, because as a new staker, you have to do your research. Yes, so you have to do your research. You have no limitations, guys. Yes, guys. I think that was all for today, guys. Yes, guys.
Thank for our subscribers.
And I would like to say thank to our subscribers, and for those that left a comment, guys. We really appreciate for more comments and to be motivated and find out, guys, what the community think, guys. Okay, and thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We are gonna say that, guys. I know some people will say, if you're doing this and that, you mustn't say please subscribe. No, guys, we would ask for you to like and subscribe, guys. Yes, guys, to see many more videos to come.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, thanks.
Thank you.